Before driving, always take a few moments to make sure your vehicle is safe and ready for the road. A quick safety check can help prevent accidents, breakdowns, and dangerous situations while driving. Start by checking the tires. Make sure they are properly inflated and have enough tread for good grip on the road. Look carefully for cracks, bulges, or deep cuts on the sidewalls, as damaged tires can fail unexpectedly while driving. Once the tires are checked, inspect your lights and signals. Check the headlights, brake lights, turn signals, and hazard lights for cracks, damage, or malfunction. If any light is damaged or not working properly, repair it immediately, since these lights help other drivers understand your movements and intentions on the road. Now that the tires, lights, and signals are fully checked, inspect the windows and mirrors. Dirty windshields, cracked windows, or blocked mirrors can reduce visibility and prevent the driver from clearly seeing traffic, pedestrians, or obstacles around the vehicle. As you move around the car, glance underneath for any fluid leaks. Oil, coolant, or brake fluid on the ground can be an early warning sign that something may be wrong with the vehicle. Before getting into the car, always check your surroundings carefully. Look for obstacles, small objects, pets, or children near the vehicle that may not be visible once you're seated inside. Once inside, set up your driving position. Adjust your seat so that you can comfortably reach the pedals while still seeing clearly over the steering wheel. Sitting too close or too far away can reduce your control of the vehicle. Once you're comfortably seated, fasten your seatbelt securely across your shoulder and hips without twisting. Then adjust your mirrors properly to improve visibility around your vehicle and reduce blind spots. Turn on the vehicle and check the dashboard for any warning lights or alerts about the car. Warning lights related to the engine, oil pressure, brakes, or ABS system should never be ignored. Also, make sure you have enough fuel before beginning your trip. Now test the essential controls. Tap the horn quickly to confirm it's working properly. Test the windshield wipers and defrosters to make sure you can maintain clear visibility in rain, dust, or foggy conditions. Once everything is set, engage and release the parking brake to ensure it is functioning correctly. Before joining the road, look carefully to the left and right for approaching traffic. When the road is clear, smoothly enter the roadway and continue driving at a safe and legal speed. Safe driving begins long before the car starts moving. Taking a few minutes to check your vehicle can help protect you, your passengers, and everyone else on the road.